Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, now the schools are shut from 21st of December as the government announced winter vacations. For the winter zone, right from yesterday, 21st of December, up to 28th of February 2021. Dear students, you must go to the coaching centers or tuition centers to facilitate yourselves physically because this virtual mode can't be substituted for the actual mode of teaching. Dear students, tomorrow can't be predicted. The coronavirus is putting life at stake. Better is to put extra efforts, go to the coaching centers in these days because when the schools would be reopened, whatever would be the condition here, it can't be the predicted. It can't be predicted. They are students of class 10th, new 10th. The students are promoted from class 9th to 10th. Your first text lesson is of English is footprints without feet. Dear students, first of all, you know what is the title of the story, Footprints Without Feet. Footprints is grammatically noun because it is just a name, and without is preposition, and feet is also noun. So in this group of words, there is no complete verb, no complete subject, so it is a phrase. It's not a sentence. Remember, in a group of words, when you don't find complete subject and a complete verb, it is a phrase. So footprints without feet is a phrase. Dear students, it is written by H.G. Wells. The story is like that, the summary is like this. Two boys in London were fascinated, or they were surprised to see the fresh, muddy impressions of a bare-footed man in the middle of the London, and they were surprised what the man was doing in the middle of the London without feet, barefooted, and the chill is at extreme. So they followed the footprints, and the footprints were becoming fatter and fatter when they followed them, and finally they disappeared. The mystery was so simple. They were following a scientist who had just discovered how human body could become transparent and how it became can become invisible. Their students of Footprints Without Feet is a story of a scientist Griffin who was disliked by his landlord. In a revenge, he set fire to his house in order to save. Now he turned a culprit, offender, from the middle of the London. He had already used, he had already discovered a rare drug. By swallowing that drug, a human body can turn as transparent as the sheet of the glass. And also, he had discovered how human body can remain invisible. So, taking the advantage of this discovery, he flew from the spot, and that is why the boys were fascinated because sometimes they witnessed the footprints and sometimes not. So the two boys in the London were following a scientist, Griffin, who had discovered a rare drug. Swallowing that drug, a human body can turn as transparent as the sheet of the glass. Dear students, the story is like this. Griffin was disliked by, or his landlord was disliking him, and finally he ejected him. And in revenge, he set fire to his house, and in order to run away, in order to run from the sense or weakened spot, he took the advantage of his discovery that he made how human body can turn as transparent as the sheet of the glass and how human body can remain invisible. Dear student, so he became a homeless wanderer. He went to here and there without clothes and without money. He reached many places like London store, authoritical drama company, and finally he took train to Epping, where he stayed in an inn without money. He had some money because he had stolen it from the shop, and finally the whole the drama got exposed when a policeman came to arrest him. So, dear students, this story is about a scientist who had discovered a rare drug by which a human body can turn as transparent as the sheet of the glass, as and also human body can remain invisible. Dear students, no doubt his landlord was disliking him, but in the revenge, he set fire to his house. But he misused his scientific discovery. He, he should have used it for the betterment of the society, but instead of that, he used it in a bad way. No doubt he was a brilliant scientist because discovering such a great thing how human body can turn transparent and discovering that drug or inventing that drug and how human body can remain invisible. This was a wonderful discovery, but at the same time he misused his scientific discovery. The story you can read in your textbook, which is written there, because line by line a teacher can teach you in the tuition centers, but it is the hint, just what footprints without the feet is. Dear students, I'm repeating the things. Footprints without a feet is a phrase. Grammatically, it's a phrase because not it is without the complete verb and without a complete subject. A group of words without complete subject and without complete verb is a phrase, not a sentence, because no sentence in English can be formed without a verb. Dear students, now it is Kashmiri a little. Footprints without a feet a lesson. Lim H.G. Vellum छ लिखमत. यह छ अकिस साइंटिस्ट सन्द दलील. Zı लड़के लंदस मज गसान परेशान तम छ वुछान अख मडी इम्प्रिंट्स यानी तम छ वुछान फुटप्रिंट्स अकिस ननवरिस इंसान सन्द मगर तम छ सोचान यह क्या उस करान मिडल ऑफ द लंदन बे सर्दी मज मिस्ट्री यस सुद सिंपल हम अकिस फॉलो करान अकिस साइंटिस्टस यम यह डिस्कवर कोरमुत कि ह्यूमन बॉडी कित कन रोज ट्रांसपेरेंट कित कन शीट ऑफ गिलास रोजान बे कित कन रोज इनविजिबल मगर यह लैंड लॉर्डस नश नौकरी करान तम सुन यह कड़ित रमेश सिंह बदलस मज दुत तस मकानस नार चलन बाबत क्या कर यह डिस्कवरी इस्तेमाल यम सन बॉडी गसान एज ट्रांसपेरेंट एज शीट ऑफ गिलास बे बना इनविजिबल ये कपड़ कड़ान नबर पे चल यह जान यह वो लंदन स्टोरस मज यह वो थोरिटिकल कंपनी मज यह वो इपिंग अकिस जाए पोत आमिस रटन यह हेकू तुम अत मज कत मज पर टेक्स्ट लेसन मज हेकू तुम यह पर टीचर पर लाइन बाय लाइन यह हिंट तमुक डियर स्टूडेंट्स. This is the it's Kashmiri, but remember you should put extra efforts because tomorrow can't be predicted. What would be the condition in March when schools will be reopened? Better is to put extra efforts in tuition centers so that you can facilitate yourself to the greatest extent. Thanks. Be balanced.